Welcome to the channel. I'm Dave Sears. It's January 26th of 2026. I'm at Wilcox Yard Rail Slip at Nanaimo, BC, Canada. For today's episode, I'll be on board the Seaspan Corsair to see the engine room, wheelhouse, aft steering station, and towing winch. Thanks to Captain John Ashby for this opportunity. The aft steering station is used for close-in maneuvering and operating the winch. The captain moves to the wheelhouse helm for pushing against the rail barge. Seaspan Corsair was built in 1975 at Vancouver shipyards. Although it's an overcast sky, conditions are otherwise favorable for January. No wind, fog, snow, or rain, so all good. Ian is operating the rail slip from the control room, which is to my left.
Zero to the ramp, 3 and a half times longer. David James still also. Good on this side now. Okay. Get down. I was just downstairs now. What's that? Hang on a second.
Let's go below to the engine room. Here are the two main generators, a Detroit Diesel 671 and a John Deere 471. At top right of the screen is a pneumatic control system for throttle and clutch. That's engine speed and selection of forward, neutral, and reverse. The two main engines are MTU 8V4000s, each producing 850 horsepower for a combined total of 1700. Propulsion is twin screw, meaning it has two propellers. The propellers have quart nozzles, which are fixed steel shrouds around the propellers. The hydrofoil cross-section shape of quart nozzles helps create more thrust. Both generators can be used when power is needed to run more equipment, or the Detroit Diesel can go online when the John Deere is getting maintenance done. In the background, you can see the main switchboard. In front of me is the gearbox, and to my right are air compressors. Here you can see the ship's wheel and a rudder angle indicator directly in front of it. Each engine has its own throttle lever to control throttle and clutch. Steering with the rudder can also be done using a jog lever instead of the ship's wheel. Let's check out the aft steering station. A jog lever controls the rudder angle. There are also controls for operating the winch, so lots going on. This tugboat is equipped with a hold-down block and tow pins. The hold-down block can be raised up and the tow line maneuvered into a cutout section of the hold-down block. Tow pins help keep the tow line directly behind the tug. This towing winch has an abort winch mechanism, which releases the winch brake, allowing the drum to freewheel. This action can help prevent capsizing due to girding. Girding is when a tugboat is pulled broadside by its own tow line, for example, when the barge moves faster than the tugboat or in a different direction. There is also a winch reset button to reapply the brake. The towing winch has a hydraulic drive that rotates the drum, a braking system, and a spooling mechanism. The towing bridle has 2 lines that attach to the rail barge. Both lines are connected to a single tow line with a connecting shackle. Seaspan Corsair is loaded with empty rail cars and making its return trip to Anasaas Island, which is in the Vancouver, BC area.